Hello, Chef, and welcome to the latest in compact Combi oven innovation from Blizzard. Our new range of Combi ovens are designed with the key ethos of Blizzard in mind, while providing you with some fantastic features you've come to love from other top catering brands. A simple one-touch startup will get you going in seconds before easily uploading your digital menus via USB or our dedicated simple-to-use online platform. Assign images, ingredients, cooking times, and more with this incredible lightweight system. The range's easy-to-use, ergonomic double-grip handle offers unrivaled ease when opening the oven door, even when juggling multiple pans or dishes. A detachable temperature probe used for Delta T cooking ensures the product is cooked to perfection while keeping cleaning and maintenance simple and uncomplicated. Its 7-inch digital touchscreen opens up endless opportunities, and thanks to its quick response time, simple interface, and user-friendly design, your team can be up to speed in minutes with little training or knowledge about the product. An integrated cleaning system is fitted to all variations of the oven and offers short, medium, and long wash cycles that can be performed straight away or scheduled for later. If the cleaning process is interrupted, the cycle will perform a rinse before it can be used to ensure no chemicals remain. The detachable internal glass makes cleaning the unit simple. By applying slight pressure directly to the rear of the glass, it easily comes away from its lock. Depending on your model, you can expect to fit either 2/3 or 1/1 gastronome pans as standard, but each oven comes with a single wired shelf to get you started. Remember, Blizzard has a fantastic range of gastronome pans to choose from too. Find out more information on the CTDT range of compact Combi ovens, as well as all other Blizzard products at www.blizzardequipment.com.